Google and humans, the searchers, the people searching services that hopefully end up on your website, they're asking questions. They want to get information. And so the goal is to determine what questions prospects or customers are asking of you and the people in your business, and then answer those questions. And if you take each question and create a blog post, or you take each question and you somehow intertwine it into your service page, and then you answer that question, and you do all the other things right that you need to do, that's what Google is wanting. Answering your customer and your prospect questions so that you can provide the information that is being requested in a way that gets attention from your searchers, your prospects, potential customers, and gets the attention from Google. We don't have to come up with brand new content. What we need to do is find out what questions are being asked and then go answer those questions